Chronicles of Narnia,
Prince Caspian.
Prince Caspian. This is
Well,
for if you couldn't afford the ticket. This is Aslan, by the way.
And this is every single human. this is all the humans. Look at it! Look, it's Aslan! Aslan, I missed you. Lucy, who are you talking to? It's Aslan! I don't see him, Lucy.
Peter. Peter.
Aslan!
Peter.
Where
Peter.
are you?
Peter.
Aslan!
Peter.
I missed you so much, Aslan!
Narnia isn't what it used to be.
Crap.
You have to take Prince Caspian and defeat the bad people.
Where the hell is Prince Caspian?
He's a Mexican.
Okay.
Look, here he comes now. Okay. You can't be him, dude.
Who goes there? I'm Prince Caspian. You can. Yeah, I know. I'm going to kiss your sister at the end of this movie. I work at Taco Bell.
Hey.
Holy crap, it's a tiger.
Calm down, kids. You have to save Narnia for the second time.
From my uncle that tried to kill me at the beginning of the movie?
Yes, Prince Caspian. Yes. Yes.
See?
Uh-huh.
See?
See.
I
I don't want nachos with that.
Okay. Your total is
Oh no! Look,
What?
it's the White Witch.
Holy crap! It did the White Witch. Peter, do something. Narnia! Ah! I defeated her, big brother. Good job, Edwin.
I'm disappointed you had to use the White Witch to free Narnia.
I'm sorry. Will you be my friend still? 'Cause I got a bar mitzvah. You know?
Let's just forget this and save Narnia.
Okay.
Oh no! Look, it's the Minotaurs.
Rah!
Leave them alone.
I'll get you. Ah.
Oh look, it's Aslan to save the day.
I'm back, guys. Hello, Lucy. Hey.
I know, let's just end the movie.
Okay. So Jesus comes out of the water and kills the guy's uncle.
Dude, he did look like him.
The end.
That was weird. I thought no one else noticed it.